Hi, my name is Piotr. In this short video I would like to show you how to install IntelliJ on Windows and prepare your local environment so that you will be able to start working with Kotlin. With that being said, let's open up our web browser and navigate directly to the JetBrains theme page. Let's select download, and right here we can see that we can select which operation system are we using. I'm on Windows, so this is correct for me, and below that we can select which version of IntelliJ we would like to download. The community version is a free one, which is pretty enough if you'd like to learn or work on some small projects. Ultimate, on the other hand, comes with additional features. It's paid version, and it might be really useful when you are working on large enterprise projects. So let's hit download on the community and save the file. Depending on your internet, it might take a while. I've already downloaded it, so I'll go directly to the downloads page. Right here, let's select the installer. Let's hit yes. Next, we can select the destination folder. I will go with the default one. Right here we can select whether we would like to create a desktop shortcut, context menu, or create some associations. For me, I'm okay with these settings. I'll hit next and install. This step might take a while depending on your machine. In my case, it's about 2 minutes, so let's wait for a while. So if everything went successfully, we should see this page where we can select that we would like to run IntelliJ right now. Let's hit finish, and the app is starting at the moment. Let's open up this window. Probably you won't see the settings, as I've already installed IntelliJ on my machine. They are asking me whether I would like to import settings. I will go with no, and the application is opening at the moment. Let's create a new project and call it example. Right here we need to select the Kotlin JVM and the SDK we would like to use. I've already downloaded 17. If you don't have any on your machine, you can select right here, download JDK, and specify which version, vendor, and location you would like to put it in. I will hit cancel and go with next. Let's call it example and hit finish. The project is creating and we should see the window opening. Let's maximize that. In the right bottom we can see that IntelliJ is running some background tasks at the moment. We need to wait a while for the indexing to finish. So the window disappeared, processing has been finished, and we can finally create our Hello World application. To do so, let's navigate right here, click right mouse button, new, Kotlin class file, and call it application. Right here, let's specify main and put their print function. Hello world right here. It's worth mentioning that at this point it won't compile because we can have either outdated or missing Kotlin plugin. Let's hit run to check this out. In the bottom part we got this build window. Let's open it up. And that's true, Kotlin unresolved reference println. To fix this issue, we can see in the bottom part right here that IntelliJ prompts us to update our plugin. So let's hit install and the plugin will be installed. On the other hand, you can go to file, settings, and right here we got the plugins page as well. Let's wait a while until the downloading process has finished. And now we have to restart IntelliJ in order to these changes to take effect. We can do it from this panel, click restart and restart now. The application is restarting, and after that we'll be able to finally run our app. Let's close this pop-up. Got it. Let's maximize this window. And once again, click run. But this is not possible until indexing process is running, so we need to wait a while once again. Finally, the indexing has been finished, so we can once again run our application. It's worth to mention right here as well that we can go to edit configuration and create multiple of them. But if you don't want to do that, you can just simply go right here. In the meantime, we can see that the application has been run and hello world has been printed. So basically, that's all when it comes to the IntelliJ installation. On the other hand, I would like to show you one more thing, which is pretty useful if you would like to sometimes run a code snippet and not necessarily create a new project or open up IntelliJ. Let's get back to the web browser and go playground Kotlin. 2 typos. This page allows us to run simple applications, code snippets in our web browser. As we can see, let's maybe remove this and change to our hello world. In this part we can hit run and we can see that this is running here as well. And basically that would be all for this video. I hope you enjoy it, and starting from now on you will be able to create your own projects and learn Kotlin with Codercy. If you enjoyed this type of videos, please let me know in the comment sections, and see you in the next ones.